Hey, Coachy Cougars, my name is Joan Jakes. I am a preschool teacher here at Coachy Elementary School, and I'm so glad you came to our open house. I am teaching students the ages 3 to 4 and 4 to 5, and I have been so thankful to the students that have shown up at my class time. We have class at 9 o'clock for 30 minutes, 10 o'clock for 30 minutes, and 11 o'clock for 30 minutes. And on those times that the students get off, they're doing art activities, puzzles, hands-on activities, and having a great time until we meet the next day. I would like to thank the parents that are coming and picking up their learning bags for my students who have many hands-on activities that are in the bag for them to do. And the parents are turning them in and sharing their work with me so that I can keep track of the great work they're doing at home, and keeping a track of how I can assess their learning. So thank you, parents, for supporting me and supporting your kids and doing a great job. I continue to look forward to seeing them and seeing your kids come online, and we'll be getting new students throughout the year too as more students turn 3 years old. I also want to be thankful to the speech teacher, Jackie, who comes and works with the kids 3 days a week. I also am thankful for the occupational therapist, Jennifer, and I am also thankful for the physical therapist who comes in and works with us. We also are really lucky. On Friday, we get fit from Coach Michelle. And then we also get to go to the library, but we do library here in the classroom online, and we can also check out books. Check into that, and you can check out a book. And I am putting books in your bags, which I hope you guys are enjoying and reading, and there's something always new to read. So I'm so glad you came, and I hope that you have a great night checking out our open house. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.